Welcome to today's episode on Scriptures with Andrew Daniels. Today we've got the story of the 12 spies in the book of Numbers, chapter 13 and 14. The 12 spies didn't see different lands. They saw different futures. So why did God allow all 12 spies to see the same miracle, but only 2 to inherit it? Because God doesn't reward sight. He responds to interpretation. Remember, the land didn't change, the giants didn't change. What actually changed was the story they told themselves after seeing it. 10 spies said, "We are grasshoppers." But Joshua and Caleb said, "If God is with us, this is already ours." The truth is, you can be so close to promise and still talk yourself out of it. So why not do this with me this week? Catch the sentence. You keep repeating about your situation. If it triggers you, challenge it. Replace it with what God said and not what you saw. Let us remember, in that same story, same land, different voice. But you've got to choose which one you will follow. And I pray that the Holy Spirit will lead you and you will pick the right one. May God be with you, and I'll see you on the next episode.